Have you tried affiliate marketing as a way to make money online? Hello, I am Stacy Martin. You know, many people do affiliate marketing to generate an income, but there are very few that achieve much success in doing so. You know, real good traffic is one of the hardest things to come by when it comes to selling stuff online. There is plenty of traffic available to sell practically anything online. But how can you get that traffic to your website? The answer is simple. Plug into ONPASSIVE. But ONPASSIVE does far more than just get you the traffic you need to become extraordinarily successful. It literally begins generating an income for you the minute you get plugged into the ONPASSIVE platform. The artificial intelligence that is programmed into the ONPASSIVE platform never sleeps. It continually generates traffic, captures leads, follows up and closes sales for every person on board the platform, and it does it automatically. You see, it doesn't matter whether you are an affiliate marketer with little success, or if you sell your own products online to generate an income, the minute you plug into ONPASSIVE your success is guaranteed. There is just simply no way of failing with ONPASSIVE. Learn more in the description.